Hello guys, this is the Wishmaster speaking again, and today we're gonna talk about crypto kittens, and we're also gonna talk about the scalability issues of Ethereum and Bitcoin, of course. So let's begin with the crypto kittens. Guys, what is up with the crypto kittens? You see it all over Reddit, all over the forums, everybody is getting them. All over the Slack channels I'm following, they're all getting them kittens. But what the fuck are kittens, guys? If you think about it, kittens, this is normal. Because people are giving money to a virtual cat, and this cat lives inside the blockchain, so it's something unique, and it's coupled to your address, and it's uniquely created every 15 minutes. So if you look at the marketplace, and if you can see all the kittens for sale here, everyone has its unique characteristics, a unique design, color, whatever, and unique stuff. So when we look at the Gen 0 kittens, those kittens appear every 15 minutes and people can buy them. So these are the first generation of kittens. So for example, if you go back to the for sale, you can see, for example, here, this little birdie kitten-ish, this is a 12th generation of kitten. So you can actually buy kittens and then breed them with another kitten, and then you get a new kitten with its new color, its new characteristics, etc, etc. And people are actually paying money to buy these cats, are actually giving money to be able to allow to breed their cat with another cat. But guys, does this sound crazy to you? At first it sounded crazy to me, like what the fuck, who is buying kittens? Who is buying virtual kittens that don't exist? But if you think about it, what crap and collectibles do people also buy? Just gonna give two simple examples and it will be totally clear for you guys. Well, actually give three. So the first one, stamps. Really, I'm sorry for the stamp collectors that are watching, but I don't think many will be watching. Stamps, good. The most expensive stamp right now is over 500,000. It's actually 550,000 pounds for a stamp. You can't even use the stamp. It's an actual collectible. You buy it, you put it in a glass case, and you put it in your house, and that's it. It's some sort of art collectible. I don't know what it is, but people are actually buying stamps with money, and big money. This is the first example. You can't do anything with stamps. It doesn't improve your lifestyle, it doesn't improve your health, it doesn't improve your mood. The next one, I'm sorry, it might piss off some guys, but baseball cards. What the fuck? People are actually buying baseball cards. Okay, they are collectibles, they are old as fuck. Some are 50 years old, like this one. This one is over $50,000. The most expensive baseball card at this point is apparently going for 2.8 million, and it's more than 100 years old. But if you think about it, you can't do anything with a baseball card. You can just look at it and you can trade it. What does a crypto kitten do? You buy it, you trade it, you swap it, you collect them, and you can actually create new ones based on your old cards. So it's actually okay. Maybe the baseball cards has some sort of sentimental value from it, but I doubt anyone has any emotional value to a card of 100 years old. I don't know, I might be wrong. Another one, in-game currency and collectibles. If you don't know anything about gaming, I'm gonna explain it very shortly to you. In some popular online games you can buy loot cases, and these loot cases you can buy them for $3, $5, $10. And if you buy those, you get a random item. You might get lucky, you might get an exclusive sword, or you might get a fancy hat, or you can actually buy a fancy hat for a certain amount of dollars. And people buy that shit. People actually buy virtual hats to put on to them in a game. You have seen it in Second Life as well. The game Second Life, millions of dollars poured into Second Life. Okay, Second Life is kind of a game and you can in-house currency, but people are actually buying online stuff, and I think it's a shift, because if you look at this card is 100 years old. Imagine if Cryptokittens continues to exist, and you have a kitten that has been breeded over 100 years. This kitten is gen in an enormous amount and looks totally crazy. This could be worth a significant amount as well. But guys, what does Cryptokittens learn from Ethereum, or what can it learn? Is that Ethereum right now is not scalable, and it has been said before, and it's true. I don't deny it. It's not scalable right now. If one application can ramp up the amount of transactions, we are not ready for a global run out of multiple dApps. These dApps must be developed more smarter. They must use the micro-rating network or any other scaling solution that will be available next year. And you have the Bitcoin maximalists are going on Twitter, and it's actually funny because this guy is actually saying here, yep, Ethereum is pretty much useless today. Transactions are being evicted from the mempool. And he's pointing a bit fat arrow to 8,000 pending transactions. Wow, dude, bitch please. The Bitcoin network has been processing, or has been full for months now. Months. The pending transactions are insane. Sometimes we have over 100,000 pending Bitcoin transactions, and this dweebo is laughing with Ethereum that we have 8,000 pending transactions. Really, if you look at the mempool from Bitcoin over the last 3 months, you can see that it's constantly full. It's insane. Like, for example, if you started a transaction at this point for the lowest fee, and you haven't changed the fee and re-entered the transaction with a higher fee, your transaction has been stuck since the 26th of October until now. If you follow this blue line, that's the cheapest transaction, and it hasn't processed yet, guys. Your transaction would have been stuck for over 1 month. That's insanity. And this guy is calling out, well, Ethereum needs scaling and fast. Yes, it needs scaling, but this is just fear-mongering and spreading FUD. It's ridiculous, and people aren't understanding the power and the start of this application. It will set a possibly even a movement of other kind of collectible apps that are on the blockchain. Could really happen. I can see it happen, that this is copied in 6 months. You also see the pending transactions of Ethereum are really going steep right now. We are over 15,000. I'm gonna have to follow this up, because this might get serious. But one can say, wow, what about the value of Ethereum, rising transactions, etc. Well, Bitcoin has been going up and is having a constant full memory pool, so I'm not really afraid of that. We also have our total amount of transactions per day are really skyrocketing. We are close to 700,000 transactions a day, guys. Can you imagine that? That's a shit ton of transactions. But Ethereum also needs a lot of transactions. Ethereum is not just like a currency like Bitcoin. It's used in application. It's also used as currency, but its main use will be supporting multiple decentralized applications, and that's why you need a lot of transactions. You will need the scalability. The unique addresses are also really going up. We are over 12 million different Ethereum addresses. That's huge. But guys, I hope you understand the Cryptokittens thing. Don't laugh it away, because I think it has significant value. These are all gimmicks, but it will show the power of the system and really open things up, I think. So guys, if you like the video, subscribe and comment. What do you think about the Cryptokittens? Have you bought a kitten? Because I have bought one. I wanted to check out how it works, and I'm breeding one right now. So guys, have a nice day, and keep on learning. I hope you enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe if you want to hear more of me. Thanks. Bye.